Hi guys and welcome back, it's Rog here from a Gourmet Grandad cooking channel, and today I'm going to be cooking one of my all-time favourite desserts, or you might want to call it a pudding. It's a gooseberry crumble with these lovely gooseberries given to me by my very good friend and neighbour Janet, who lives just down the road, and she's very kind to us, I must say. So without further ado, let's crack on. Okay, we're going to need 250 grams of gooseberries. These have been topped and tailed. 45 grams of golden caster sugar, 40 grams of demerara sugar, 85 grams of plain flour, 45 grams of salted butter, and I'm going to use the juice of half a lemon.
So, I'm going to make a start by washing any little nasties off of these gooseberries. Make sure they're nice and clean. Don't bother to remove any excess water that might be on there. We can tip these into the bowl and then add our golden caster sugar. Spread that over nicely, and then of course we're going to give them a bit of a mix just to get it a bit even, you know what I mean? Then we'll add our juice of half a lemon and set this to one side. Meanwhile, in a fresh bowl we put our flour in, followed by our butter. Now this is better if it's been a bit chilled in the fridge. Then we're going to mix this together. The only real way of doing this is to use your hands, and you want to get a nice sort of a breadcrumb type texture like this. When that's done, pop in your demerara sugar, another quick mix, and you're done. Spread this over your gooseberries as evenly as you can. Tuck it all in those little corners, little crevices, all that. All makes lovely crunchiness when it's finished. There we go, don't miss any. Wait, I can see one. Cover it up quickly. There we go. Starting to look a bit better. Yes, and it's done. Now it's off to the oven. Gas mark 4 for 40 minutes, or until it's brown and crispy on the top. Just like this. Doesn't that look beautiful? Now I'm going to have a little taste.
Oh boy, does that taste good. That sweetness of all that sugar and the sourness of those gooseberries makes a beautiful combination. Please try this for yourself. You just need the gooseberries. Thanks so much for watching this latest video of mine. Please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye for now.